that the affected persons must be compensated because by allowing the construction of homes, churches, schools, and the provision of electricity, water, among other amenities, is a testimony that the government implicitly sanctioned the settlement. 9, that His Excellency the President should visit the scene of demolition to personally assess the suffering of the affected people and to urgently convene a meeting of elected leaders in Machakos County and the clergy in order to find a lasting solution to land issues in Machakos County and the larger Ukambani. 10th, that we call upon all men and the women of goodwill of Machakos County, and indeed the entire Ukambani, to stand up and be counted by standing on the right side of history on this matter. And this document, signed by the represented denominations that I mentioned here earlier. Thank you. So, at this...
Members of press and all of us present, that is the issue that we have been addressing, heartbreaking, to see families, to see children kicked out of their homes and with nowhere to go, and with no other hope. And that's why we took time to talk about it and request the government, to come or to appreciate the suffering of these people